Is it worth anything? This week we're talking about vintage ceramic cookie jars. So cookie jars became popular during the 1930s and 40s, and by, of course, the 1950s and 60s, they were kind of a staple in most households. And they're just iconic. I mean, so many of them come in all kinds of different shapes, different themes, different colors. They're fun to collect because, I mean, my gosh, the ones I was looking at that recently sold on eBay, you had I Love Lucy, you had Three Stooges, you had giant strawberries, you had roosters. They're very colorful, they're very well made, they're just beautiful. And they're fun to collect because there are so very many different styles out there. So tell me, did you have a cookie jar on the kitchen counter when you were a kid, and what was it? I've put a few of the retro ones on my Amazon page, so you can find that link in my bio. So are they worth anything? The ones that recently sold on eBay were going anywhere from $15 to there were several that went well over $100. So yes, there is some worth to them. And of course, condition is everything. You want to make sure they're not chipped or cracked. They've got to have the lid with them. But yes, they are worth something and so much fun to collect. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.